at your place. Yes, don't move your camera. Good morning, everyone. Bhavya Sagar, come back to your place.
Ma'am,
Good
your
morning.
voice is cracking.
Now it's coming.
Ma'am, you're visible.
Okay, let me log in with the another ID so that will be convenient for
No,
you.
ma'am, your voice is okay. Ma'am, this
No,
one, this is the graph book. Ma'am, this is the graph book.
Vihan, yes. Now I'm clearly visible to you all. Now my voice
Yes.
is
No,
cracking.
ma'am. No.
Okay. So, children, as you all know that yesterday we have ended our chapter 10 with the CET. Jiga Singh, sit properly. Play with patterns, so you are clear with the different types of the patterns. Now, moving ahead with the new chapter, which is chapter number 11, tables and shares. Yes, Vedant, you have joined after 2 days. Tell me now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was out of station, ma'am. So, ma'am, you said there was a CT of chapter 10.
Hmm.
So, ma'am,
Yesterday.
I will do it after this class and submit
Yeah,
to you,
please
ma'am.
ensure that you have to not take any help from anyone and do it.
Okay, I will do it for myself only, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Tables and shares. So please raise your virtual hand that what are we going to learn in this chapter? Yes, Kavian, you want to say something? You joined late, 2 minutes late, Kavian, Moksha. No, Moksha want to speak something. Yes, Moksha.
Ma'am, I was saying that in tables and shares we will learn multiplication and division.
Hmm. We are going to learn multiplication and division in this chapter. So, before starting the actual multiplication, I want to give you some tricks related with the multiplication. I want to share some different ways of multiplication because long algorithm method you all have learned learning from the beginning, grade 2, grade 3, then you will learn in the grade 4. Algorithm method means your proper multiplication method. तो आप सीखते हुए आ रहे हैं पर वो प्रॉपर मेथड पे पहुंचने से पहले वेदांत वट एवर इट इज देयर इन योर हैंड प्लीज पुट इट असाइड एंड म्यूट योर माइक एवरीवन. I can see one child has unmuted his mic. Yes. Thank you, Jiga Singh. So, before moving to the actual multiplication method, the long method of multiplication, we have to enjoy the concept of multiplication with the different methods also. और भी डिफरेंट तरीके हैं मल्टीप्लीकेशन करने के. मान्या, पे अटेंशन इन द क्लास, डू नॉट टॉक विद द नियर पर्सन, पे हियर. So again, I have to repeat my lines that we have to learn the different ways of multiplication, not actual the long traditional method of multiplication जो हम हमेशा पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं. उसको पढ़ने से पहले we have to learn one different जिसे आप enjoy करेंगे, activity way में हम learning करेंगे multiplication की, right? Okay, as I told you to bring the graph book or the square notebook. So when you open this graph book, open graph book, those who have graph book, they can open the first page. Those who have math square notebook, they can open this square notebook. Okay. So when you see this notebooks, the square notebooks or the graph notebook, what have you observed? आपको क्या दिखा?
Ma'am, there are squares.
One child raise their hand, I will give the chance. Yes, Tej Kumar. What do you observe
Ma'am,
when you look into the maths notebook, square notebook or your graph notebook? क्या observe करते हैं आप उसको देखने से?
ma'am, there are so many squares.
So many squares. अगर मैं इसको count करने के लिए बोलूं, तो how much time you will take to count all the squares? बहुत देर लगेगी?
Ma'am, 1 or 2 hours.
इतनी देर लगेगी? इतने स्क्वायर नहीं होते हैं एक पेज पे. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द फुल नोटबुक. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वन पेज. If I will tell you to count the squares on the one page, it will take time to count. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, approximately 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay.
And second also.
Okay. बट इसको काउंट करने की कोई और ट्रिक है? Is there any other
Yes,
way?
ma'am. I know that. Yes, ma'am. Multiplication. Multiplication.
Everyone will not say speak together. Raise your hand, we'll give you a chance. Yes, Niva. Is there any other way to count them?
Yes, yes, ma'am. When we open the page, we have to count this line and got standing and all. So we can, if we multiply them all, we can get the answer.
Excellent. My today's topic is that only to explain you when you know about the how many are in the row and how many are in the column. You when you multiply them, you will easily get the answer. So I will tell one child, Moksha, you have a square notebook in your hand or the math graph notebook in your hand.
Ma'am, square notebook.
Okay, take one page.
Yes, ma'am.
Count how many are there in the sleeping.
Ma'am, may I?
How many squares are in the sleeping?
14.
See, when you count this standing, these are called columns. Suppose मैंने एक टेबल बनाई. This is the table I've made, right? ये दो जो है standing, ये column है. और ये जो है, ये rows है. So how many columns? 1 and 2 columns. Or 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Sleeping are the rows, standing are the columns. Sleeping are the rows. ये sleeping है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the rows and standing 1 and 2. These are the columns. So row,
Ma'am, the rows are 20.
Rows are 20.
20 and
Okay.
the column are 14.
Rows are 20 and the columns are 14. If I tell you to multiply them and get the answer, will it be easy for you to get the how many squares are there in the total page? Yes or no?
Yes.
Tej Kumar, wait. If I'm talking to one child, then you have to wait for your turn. Yes,
Yes.
Moksha. Will it be easy for you? 20 rows and 10 columns?
Yes, ma'am. Now we can multiply them both.
You can easily multiply them and
No,
get the answer?
No, ma'am. We have to add 0, then start with.
2-digit hai. Okay. Is there any other way of multiplication of 2-digit number? Long methods के अलावा और कोई method? Is there any other way?
Column method.
Column method. Okay. Column method में भी you can do with that column method which you have learned by expanding them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And is there any other way?
Ma'am, repeated addition.
Repeated addition. Very good. So 20 को अगर आप 14 times लिखोगे, so you will get the answer by repeated addition.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are different ways of getting the answer, right? And there are different ways of doing the multiplication. So now open the page number 120 of your textbook. Here the Shama is having a garden, flowers in the garden. She is having 18 flowers and she is arranging them in the different ways. First, in the first method, can anyone explain me how many rows and how many columns she has taken? One, Vivan. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, one sunflower, she has only take rows.
How many
are
rows?
18.
How many rows?
8.
No. Rows are not 18.
Ma'am, one row. Ma'am,
One row. One row. And how many columns?
0.
0 column. जब column ले 18 columns. You can see na 18 flowers are arranged in this way. Means columns are 18 and row is only 1. Okay. So one row, 18 columns. Manya, can you tell me in the next method what he has taken? Because she has arranged into 3 different ways. Second is how many rows and how many columns?
1 minute.
Those who know the answer, please write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, 18 rows.
18 रोज नहीं है, 18 तो टोटली फ्लावर्स है, तो 18 रोज कैसे होगी?
No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I was telling about rose, the flower rose.
अच्छा, फ्लावर रोज. ओके. How many rows? हाँ, 18 flowers, 18 sunflowers.
6 rows
हाँ, 6 rows.
and 2 columns.
6 rows. No. I'm telling this bigger one to count. This one. When you
Ma'am,
see in
I'm
the text,
counting that one, but there are 2 only.
6 rows. No, can you see my textbook? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. I'm agree with this. But how many columns are there? 1, 2. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3 columns are there.
Yes.
Got it? How many rows? 6 rows, 3 columns.
Columns.
The Jigar Singh, column spelling is wrong. COLUMNS, columns. Now next child. Third group. Aradhya, try. How many rows and how many columns?
Ma'am, rows are 2.
2. And how many columns are there?
9.
9. Very good. So now you understand the concept of row and column? Okay. Now I am giving you the task to do in your graph notebook or in your math square notebook. First, I will show you how to do with the practical example. Suppose I have...
Ma'am, we have to write our date.
No, don't write anything right now. Look into my board. Can you all see something I'm going to put here on my board?
Yes,
What is there on my... What is there?
Triangle.
And triangles.
Triangles following a pattern.
No, I'm not following any pattern. I'm just simply putting them on the board.
Ma'am, you are making rows and columns.
Can you see? Count them. How many triangles are there on my board?
Ma'am, there are
10. Ma'am, 10.
10. Ma'am, 10.
Now these 10, if I'm arranging them like this in the row and the column, tell me how many columns and how many rows?
Ma'am, columns 5 rows.
5 rows.
5 columns.
These are the rows, 2 rows,
2
and
rows and 5 columns.
3,
5
4, 5
columns.
columns. है ना? 2 rows and 5 columns. Now, tell me.
Can I see?
Ma'am, 5
Ma'am, there are 5 rows and 2 columns.
Nishwa,
5 rows and 2 columns.
Nishwa, how many rows and how many columns?
Yes, ma'am. 2 columns, 5 rows.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So children, if I know that 5 rows and 2 columns, so if I multiply 5 with the 2, I will get the answer 10. Instead of counting them and wasting much time to count individually, if I count this line and if I count this way, I will easily get how much there in the total. है ना? It is easy method.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? Now, this way we can make the equation. This is called the writing the equation of the multiplication. Now, first number in the multiplication is called multiplicand. If you want to write in your notebooks, you can write multiplicand, multiplicand, multiplicand. Second number in the multiplication is called
Multiplier.
multiplier. The spellings, it is necessary for you to learn the spellings thoroughly. Let me take the attendance.
Ma'am, what is first one?
Plicand, Plicand. Multiplier. And the answer after equals to is coming is the product.
Product.
What have you observed with the two examples? What have you observed? When we have given the two examples in the different ways, arranging them in different rows and columns.
Ma'am,
पहले क्या था?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
5 columns, 2
Ma'am.
rows.
Tej Kumar is talking in between. Now I will never listen to Tej Kumar. Yes, Moksh, please speak. What have you observed? The common thing. First, I have taken 2 rows and 5 columns. The answer was 20. Then I have taken 5 rows and 2 columns. The answer is 10. Sorry, both the cases. So what?
Ma'am, I have means understand that if we do the multiplication, we say that what we say ulta.
Reverse.
Yes, if we do reverse it, then also the answer will be same.
Yes.
Will
Then
be
also
same
the
number.
if you interchange the multiplicand and the multiplier, but the answer, the product is coming same. This is clear to you all? Any doubt till here? Now, is there any other way of arranging them in the row and column? कोई और तरीका है? Is there any other way to arrange them in the row and column? 10 objects हैं suppose मेरे पास. I have only 10 objects.
Yes.
I want to arrange them in the different way of row and column. Can you arrange them? Yes, Vihan Dobaria. Hand raised there, but I don't know what he wants to speak. Yes, please.
Oh, I was seeing in the first one.
Previous one, I know. Please lower down your hand. Yes, Tej Kumar, speak.
Ma'am, we can put in one row
Hmm.
all the time.
One row and how many columns then?
10.
Very good, excellent. One row and 10 columns. So it will be 1 into 10 is 10. And any other way? Any other way, students? This
Ma'am,
1
we
into
can
10.
do in slant.
We can do in standing also. Slant में नहीं बच्चा. Slant में क्या method है? Now we can do in standing. 1 column and 10 rows. इसका just उल्टा. Right? So 1 into 10 is also 10.
Yes, ma'am, and 10 into 1 is also 10.
1 into 10 is also 10 and 10 into 1 is also 10. Any
10.
doubt to any child till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now children, I am giving you a task. Suppose you have 20 persons with you, 20 people. You want to make them sit in the theater in the different ways of rows and columns. Draw the rows and columns in your notebook, the graph notebook or the square notebook, and make the equation also. The way I have made the equation, this is called the equation. And make the equation and tell me. You have 40 people. 40 or 20 I told?
Ma'am,
20.
You have 20 people. You want to make them sit in the class or in the theater or anywhere. How many rows and columns will occupy? How you are going to arrange them? Tell me, and then find the equation also. Yes, Niva.
Ma'am, it will be like 10 and 10.
10 and 10. So 10 and 10, how many rows and how many columns?
10 rows and 10 columns.
10 rows and 10 columns. So 10 rows and 10 columns नहीं होंगे बेटा. Check करो.
Hello, ma'am. We have to write for 20 and then person.
Huh? Half with the 40 also you can do. You can write the question 20%, arrange them in row and column. 20 persons, arrange them in different ways. Arrange them in different ways of row and column. Them different ways
Ma'am, may I say one?
of row and column, and write the equation also. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, we will arrange them like this. 2 rows and 10 columns.
2 rows and 10 columns. Good. And can you show
Can
me
I
in
say
your
one?
notebook when you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
And
One
write the equation in this way. 2 multiplied by 10 equals to 20.
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, 1 row 20 column.
1 row 20 column is also 20. Yes. Another way. Any other child? Banao diagram, banao bakayda. That's the reason I told you to bring the graph notebook. Of squares cover karo. This way. Grid banao uske andar and show me how you are making them sitting their arrangements. Suppose I take 2 rows and 10 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 2 rows.
Excuse me,
Now
ma'am.
I will put them here. Sit, make them sit. And they will sit in this. And now children, instead of counting each person ki yahan pe kitne log baithe hain, if I count them in the row wise, 2. I will count them in the column wise. There are 10 people. It will be easy for me to find how many there are total. Easy hua ki nahi?
Yes.
With the small numbers, you will not able to understand the what is the plus point. When with the big numbers, you will really enjoy it. कि हाँ मुझे इतना सारा time waste ही नहीं करना पड़ा, and easily I have counted them.
Excuse me, ma'am. I've made the graph.
Okay, show me. That is not graph. That is just an activity we are doing. Graph is the different thing.
Ma'am, I have also.
Show me. Okay. This is, yeah. So you have done, beta ek square ek ke liye lo. Okay. So you have taken how many rows and how many columns?
1 rows and
Taken
20.
2 rows and 10 columns.
Very good. Very good. Good. Yes, Tej Kumar, show me.
Hello, ma'am. I want to show you
Tej Kumar,
another.
bring it little near. Good. Very good. You show me, Moksh. Everyone is doing, I hope.
Ma'am, I am doing, but I want to tell you another one.
Okay.
I have taken 4 columns and 5 rows.
That is also 20. 5 into 4 is also 20, and 4 into 5 also 20. Right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
Kumar.
write this only, know that 4 multiplied by 5.
Yeah, right. Or ऐसे ना all the different ways. सारे जितने भी तरीके से आप इसको arrange कर सकते हो, all the different ways. एक पेज
Ma'am,
पूरा
can I
occupy
say
हो
one
जाए.
more different way?
Yes. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, 10 rows and 2 columns.
10 rows, 2 columns. Yes. Correct.
ma'am,
Got
I
it?
can write 2-3 methods, different
Yes.
ways of.
Okay. Now coming to the next thing. This is clear, rows and columns to you all.
Yes.
Multiplication, multiplier, and the product is clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, I want to show you the properties of multiplication. If any number, suppose if I take 38, multiply by 1, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 38 any number multiplied by 1 will be itself only.
Will give you the same answer or the number itself. Okay. So what will be the answer? It will be 38 only. So कितना भी बड़ा नंबर आए अगर वो मल्टीप्लाई 1 से हो रहा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1264 multiply by 1, what will be the answer?
1264.
इसमें सोचने की माइंड लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. इट इज द मेंटल मैथ्स. एनी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 give you the same answer. Now comes to the another property of multiplication, where there also you don't have to use much your mind, you have to use logic. Any number multiplied by 0
Will be 0.
बड़ा number हो, whether it is a 4-digit number, 5-digit, any number. Suppose if you have 9654 multiplied by 0, so what will be the answer?
0.
Two properties are clear.
Yes.
And third property is clear. If we interchange the numbers, 5 into 3 is also 15, and 3 into 5 is also 15.
It is also 15.
Interchange their digits. This is also clear.
Yes.
Okay. What we have to say to the first number? Bhavya, what we have to say to the first number? Multiplicand.
Multiplicand.
What we have to say to the second number, Nishwa? What we have to say to the second number, Nishwa? Multiplier.
Multiplier.
Viva, what we have to say to the answer?
Product.
Product. These three terms are clear to you all. Multiplicand, first number, second number, multiplier, and the answer is product in the multiplication. Three terms are clear to you. Can I move to the next step now? Okay. Now, children, if any number multiply by the number which is having zeros, for example, if I give you 900 multiply by 6, don't go with the long method. If you know what is 9 6, multiply the number with the number and add the number of zeros at the back.
Ma'am, 54.
9 6 54, and we will add 2 zeros of 900 at the back of the product. Will be the answer. मैंने कुछ ज्यादा टाइम लगा इसको करने में?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
If it is 900 multiplied by 60, so the answer
वो
will
भी
be
मैं बताती हूँ.
900
multiplied by 60.
Ma'am,
Same you have to.
Ma'am, 54,000.
Same you have to multiply the number with the number. 2 0 900 की 1 0 600 की, तो 3 0 ही चाहिए.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
दोनों तरफ के जीरोस काउंट हो. मोक्ष, आप समझा दो. Both the sides, as many zeros are there, that many zeros will come in the product. Is that clear? दोनों साइड की जीरोस काउंट होती हैं. बस जस्ट टेक अ नोट. सपोज इट्स 9000, इट्स 600. Only multiply the number with the number, which is easy for you to multiply. 3 zeros of 9000, 2 zeros of 600, total 5 zeros will come with the answer. अब इतने बड़ा आंसर को निकालने के लिए मुझे सेकंड्स भी नहीं लगे. राइट? दीज आर द सम मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिक्स. एक ट्रिक हमने करी कि हम रो और कॉलम को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, वी विल गेट द आंसर. Okay, now there is a very good chance I will play with Divit. Divit, on your screen, how many people are in the row and how many are in the column, and without counting them each, एक एक को count करे बिना ही, row और column को count करो, multiply करो and find the answer. On your screen right now, there are children showing, right? How many children are there in the row? Row में कितने हैं?
मैम 4.
2 दिख रहे हैं मुझे तो, आपकी में 4 दिख रहे हैं. Is there any child who is able to see 4 people in the column? Row, sorry.
Ma'am.
There are 2 people in the row, right? And how many are in the column?
Ma'am, 3.
आप क्या काउंट कर रहे हो दिवित? कहाँ हो? Where are you? Which world बेटा? आप मोबाइल से कर रहे हो?
Excuse
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sorry then.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
he is talking about that he has not pinned someone. If he is on iPad, he has to pin, and then only he can see two
No, don't
persons
pin
down.
also. But what happened on iPad and mobile? There are screen are small screens. The child who is using laptop can raise the hand, and I will ask the question from that child only. Yes, Vihan Dobaria. Vihan Dobaria, on your screen, how many children are there in the row and how many are in the column?
I have pinned. So there are in the row 3 and in the column 3. If I've pinned.
Then no. Yes, Manya, you try.
Ma'am, if I pin someone, then I get 2 in rows and 8 in columns.
अब टोटल देखो, there are 14 only. अगर 8 in columns होंगे तो 14, 8 into 2 is 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Moksh, yes, tell me.
ma'am, if I pin someone, so my columns are 2 and row, it is difficult, ma'am, because in one option it is written 6
Okay.
others.
Suppose मैं आपके लिए screen या board पे बना देती हूँ. Okay. There are in my screen I can see there are 2 in the row and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the column. 1, 2, 3, 4,
And then there will
5,
be
6, 7. अब मैंने ये नहीं बनाया है.
Ma'am, I know
ये
why.
बनाया तो ऑटोमेटिकली इसके नीचे ये बनेगा and you will able to count them. There are total 2 into the rows and 7 into the columns. So there are 2 into 7
Excuse
is
me, ma'am.
14. Yes.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'm working from my iPad. When I pin someone, so I get 2 rows, and in the first row I can see 8 people, and in the second row I can see 4 people. So how is it possible?
Then it is wrong. If there are in your screen only 12% are showing then.
Ma'am,
But we are all together are now it is 13. One is removed.
ma'am, I know why. Because in Samna there is automatic. If we pin not change the if the option there is change Lahoti option, we can
Okay, no problem. We don't have to go much with our devices. We have to just learn the concept of row and column, which I think you all are clear with the row and column, right? Now, one more multiplication concept with the multiplication with the 0. Suppose if I am giving you 500 multiplied by 7. So what you have to do in this case? What will be the answer?
Ma'am, it will be
3500 will be the answer. The child who is saying 35,000 is wrong.
Ma'am, by mistake I said.
In the hurry this happens, bacha, and in the hurry only you score less marks. 200 multiplied by 9.
Ma'am, 81,000.
Ma'am, 1800.
1800.
Tej Kumar is wrong. 1800 is the right answer. 9 into 2 is 18 and 2 zeros at the back. Am I clear with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Based on such concept of multiplication, I am going to send you a worksheet today. Enjoy it.
Ma'am, this chapter is so enjoy.
Thank
I'm
you.
enjoying it.
You will more enjoy it in the coming next classes.
Yeah, me
Okay.
too. This is a
We'll,
really
we'll
enjoying.
send you the worksheet based on the concept, the multiplication, this concept which we have done today.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.